Worst mistake you can ever do as a man or as a woman is playing with your enemy. Playing with someone that indirectly you don't know that this person is your enemy, but in your mind you think they are your friends. This is how so many people have ended their lives, have ended their career, because they failed to understand that this person that they are dealing with is their core enemy and not a friend. And now you just relax and feel comfortable with them. And in the end, that's the end. You are gone. May we be wise so that we will not fall into the hands of our enemies in place of friends. Wisdom. Wisdom is the ultimate.